Hi everyone, this is Piotr Kieszkowski from the Aquarium Television Definite Aquascape TV, and this is another video from the Heimtiermesse 2013 in Hannover, Germany. I'm at the booth of the company Dennerle. In the previous video I showed you some products designed specially for aquascaping, and now let's see planted aquariums displayed by Dennerle. This is the first aquarium located on the corner of the booth. It's NanoCube 30 with the capacity of 30 liters. On the bottom there are dark green patches of Cladophora. The stamped plant on the left side is Starogyne repens, and on top of the driftwood there is large Microsorum windellow. Okay, so this was the first aquarium, NanoCube 30, and now another 3 aquariums. They are all quite wide and low, good dimensions for providing enough light for the plants. Aquarium on the right side is inspired by the Lake Matano in Sulawesi, which was visited by Stefan Hamel, the planta hunter. Actually, Stefan helped me in identification of some plants in the Dennerle aquariums here. Plants on the bottom are mixed clumps of Eleocharis and Liliopsis mauritiana. On the driftwood there is some Minipelia, and in the back, behind the driftwood, there is reddish Hygrophila lancea. The middle aquarium, with mixture of various reddish stamped plants and with some reddish lava rocks. On the bottom we have bright green Hydrocotyle triportata and Pogostemon helferi behind the rock, and the red plants are Alternatera reinecki mini, the darker one in the back, and the brighter one, right now the brighter one is Ludwigia palustris glanduliosa. And the third aquarium, the smallest one, looking somewhat like a canyon in the landscape. There are some bridges made of driftwood. Some of the driftwood is overgrown by moss. This grass-like plant on the left side is Blixa japonica. There are some sedimentary rocks with interesting texture and a clump of Hemianthus microanthemoides in the back. This is the largest NanoCube manufactured by Dennerle, NanoCube 60 with the capacity of 60 liters. There is a large fragment of driftwood here. We also have some driftwood on the bottom overgrown by moss. There is also a clump of Lomeriopsis fern on the right side. This is a nice clump of some brown Cryptocorynes, and the large driftwood is planted with some Anubias plants. Okay, so this was NanoCube 60, and now the so-called Scaper tank made by Dennerle. This tank has the volume of 50 liters. I made a separate video about this aquarium, so now just a quick look at the layout. The bottom is planted with Liliopsis brasiliensis, and plants in the bright green groups in the corners are Rotala species green and Pogostemon erectus. This is the second group, also composed of Rotala in the front and Pogostemon in the back. This is the smallest NanoCube manufactured by Dennerle, NanoCube 10, with a volume of 10 liters. On the bottom there are some clumps of Cladophora and a plant which is somewhat similar to Monoselenium tenerum or Pellia. It is Crepidomanes malabaricum, a fern species from India. On top of the driftwood there is a clump of Microsorum. And finally, the last aquarium, NanoCube 20, standing on the other corner of the booth. The volume of this cube is 20 liters. This is the same size as used in the Art of the Planted Aquarium contest. The reddish stamped plant in the back is Polygonum species Sao Paulo. There are some vertical fragments of driftwood and oval bright fragments of rocks. Plants in the foreground are patch of Cladophora and grass-like Eleocharis. And on the left side there is some ranunculus. We will see it better in a moment. Yeah, now it's the view from the side, so you can clearly see this nice specimen of ranunculus. Okay guys, so these were the planted aquariums displayed at the booth of the Dennerle company. Altogether 8 aquariums with different layouts and some unusual plants. If you like this video, please share it with others. You can also subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my page on Facebook or bookmark my website to be updated about new videos. And now, thank you for your attention. This was Piotr Kieszkowski from the Aquarium Television Definite Aquascape TV.